Father, I scarcely dare to pray, so clear I see, now it is done, how I have wasted half my day, and left my work but just begun. So clear I see that things I thought were right or harmless were a sin. So clear I see that I have sought unconscious, selfish aims to win. So clear I see that I have hurt the souls I might have helped to save, that I have slothful been inert, deaf to the calls thy deep love gave, in outskirts of thy kingdom dim, where footsore and heart weary go, I hear the distant strain of hymn, not loud as it was long ago, where perfect joy and glory glow, no tears can fall, no sin defile. I strain my eyes but cannot know the brightness of thy reconciled. I fain would follow on and go where glow thy distant mansions fair. Oh, let me wash my garments so that I may enter there.